Welcome. If you've ever found yourself searching endlessly for a document or file shared in a busy Telegram group, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the fastest way to view all shared files in any specific Telegram group, using the latest update. Whether you're looking for important PDFs, images, or any other type of file, these steps will help you find what you need in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, take a look at your chat list and find the group where the files were shared. You can scroll through your chats or use the search bar at the top if you're in a lot of groups. Tap on the group chat to open the conversation. Now, look at the very top of the screen. You'll see either the group's picture or its name. Tap on it. This opens up the group's info page, where you'll find details about the group, its members, and all the shared media. Here's the key step. Just below the group details, you'll notice a horizontal list of options. Swipe or look for the one labeled Files. Tap on Files, and you'll instantly see a neatly organized list of every document, image, or file that's ever been shared in this group. You can scroll through the list, search for specific file names, or just tap on any file to open, view, or download it directly to your device. This feature is a real time saver, especially if you're managing group projects, sharing resources, or just want to revisit something important without scrolling through endless messages. With just a few taps, you have every shared file at your fingertips. That's all it takes. Now you know exactly how to view shared files in any Telegram group with the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with your friends or group members, so everyone can stay organized and make the most out of Telegram's powerful features.